From audible or not? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So where we stopped in the last session? In the last session we discussed about positions, right? Okay, tell me if anybody asks like, hey, tell me something about the positions. What's your answer? How many positions are there? Overall, how many positions are there? There has 5 positions, right? One is like static, another one is like absolute, static, uh, absolute, next relative, fixed, and sticky. Sticky. Okay, tell me one by one. What is sticky? Tell something about the sticky. Tell something about sticky. Come on, tell something about sticky. Anyone? Simple, no? Say default position, right? It's a default position. It's a default position. In your HTML, there has multiple elements over there. Each and every element has one position that is like a static position. Okay, that position by default you can get it. So if you not mention also by default the position is like a static position only or not. So whenever the position is like a static, can we apply top, right, left, bottom properties? Can we apply 4 properties? No, right? No, right? Whenever it is like a position is like a static, we cannot apply top, right, left, bottom. Okay, show me that. Okay, show me that. Okay. Now, see, to practice HTML, nothing is required. Just go to the browser. Go to the browser. Now come here. Whatever the code is there, just delete it. Okay. It has HTML. Okay, just you can delete it. Now you can write your own elements. Now you can write your own elements. Leave such in and then click outside. Click outside. Okay. Now this is my div na. This is my div na. So by default, this is having which position? No position means it's a static. Whenever it is like a static, can I apply top 0? Can I write like this? See, whenever you apply top 8 or something, it is like in the mute. The difference, see, my color is like red. Now see the difference. This property and this property, this is like highlighted, but this is like in the mute or not. This is like in the mute. Now, if you put the cursor on this particular information, okay, info icon, position static property prevents to apply the top, right, left, bottom or not. So you can conclude one point is like if my position is like a static, we cannot apply top, right, left, bottom. That's it. Okay. So if anybody asks about the static position, your answer is like only 2 points. That is like it is a default position. If my position is like a static, we cannot apply top, right, left, bottom. That's it. Okay. Can anyone talk something about the absolute position? Can anyone tell me something about absolute position?
It
First
will
point
not
is
occupy any space if when we apply it.
first. Okay, one by one you can come. First point is like, can we apply top, right, left, bottom or not?
Yes.
Yes. So we can write. We can apply top, right, left, bottom. Like this, you can remember simply. The next one. Whenever the element position is like an absolute, is it occupy the space in the DOM or not occupy?
It will not occupy.
It don't occupy.
Okay, prove it. Very simple. This is my div, right? Okay, I said like whenever the position is like an absolute, it is not occupy the space in the DOM or not. So what I'm going to do is Sachin occupies this space and Dhoni occupies this space. Whenever I put like a position is like an absolute, see my Dhoni occupies Sachin or not. What it means? My Dhoni occupies Sachin means what? When my Dhoni can occupy Sachin, if the Sachin vacate that space, right? Then only my Dhoni can occupy. So the thing is, whenever the position is like an absolute, my Dhoni occupies Sachin. This is only the proof. It means it is going to remove the space from the DOM or not. Whenever the element position is like an absolute, it's not okay. It is not hold any space in the DOM. It is remove the space from the DOM or not. Okay, that is one point. Another point, tell me. Come on, another point.
It will change the block level to inline.
Yeah. See, by default, my div is which kind of element, tell me. See, don't need block level element. This is also div only, na? By default, it's also block level element only. But whenever you apply like a position absolute, the block level element, it's not take the full width, it's take only content width or not. Yes or no? Okay, those 2 points can you tell? Right. Okay, it is not take any space. Any space. It's not occupy any space. The next one is like what? Okay, take only content width. Only content width. Okay, block level is turned to be inline. If it is like inline, inline only or not. The most important point. This is an important point. Tell me, whenever you can apply top, right, left, bottom. For example, if you want to start some journey, okay, first, okay, one point is required. Starting point is required. From there, okay, you can navigate wherever you want or not. Here also, if you want to apply top, right, left, bottom, you have to calculate, right, top 100. Okay, you have to start somewhere. You have to calculate from there, it's like 100 or not. Yes or no? My question is like, if the position is like an absolute, what is the reference point? From where it is going to calculate? From where it is going to start the calculation, your values, top 100, left 100, right, bottom, if it is like an absolute position. If it is like an
I think
absolute position, it is always take a parent as a reference. Yes, no? It is always take, come on, it is always take parent as a reference. Okay, is this point is valid? 100% valid? Is this point is like 100% valid?
no, if it is having other than static.
Yeah. When it is going to take the parent as a reference means my parent should be, okay, other than static, should have other than static position or not. For example, if it is not having other than static, then next level parent, that is also not having, then next level parent, that is also not having, next level parent. Who is the last parent? HTML, right? Till HTML it is going to travel for checking for which position, other than static or not. Yes or no? So the point is like what? Take parent element as a reference. Okay, when if the parent element has other than static position or not, other than static, then only. Okay, prove, show me that, Okay, let's go. Now this is my div, position absolute I written. Position absolute I written. Let me give the what I can say, borders. Okay, border for my HTML. Okay, border 1 pixel solid red. Okay, HTML. Okay, this is the one. Border for my body. Border for my body. Can I give what I can say? Border 1 pixel solid green. Green. Okay, this is my border HTML red. This is my border. Which one? Body. So whenever for my div, if I apply like a bottom 0, if I apply like a bottom 0, my Sachin touch this red border or green border? Tell me this moment. At this moment, tell me. Okay, you can give some height also. Okay, if you want, my height equals to 200 pixel. Okay, 100 pixel. Like now, tell me. This is my HTML border and this is my body border. Whenever if I give like bottom 0, my Dhoni touch like this green border or red border in this example, in this scenario. Green or red, whenever it's like bottom 0. Come on. Green or red? Come on. Okay, don't think more about this one. There has some other styles are applied. Okay. Now tell me, why it is not touch this green? Why it state like your HTML as like the reference? Very simple. Whenever the position is like an absolute, it's take Which one as a reference? Parent. Who is the parent here? Who is the parent of my Sachin?
Body.
Body, right? Is my body is having any position other than static? No, right? If it is not other than static, then the time it will go to the next level or not. Now, if I write something like this to my body, my position is like relative. Now, see this to my body. If my position is like relative, now we just take like body as a reference. Why? Check. Whenever the element has the position absolute, okay, it takes the parent as a reference. Who is the first parent? Body. So that it's take like a body as a reference. Okay, but it is going to check for what? It is not it's not like take the body as a reference. It is going to check for one more condition. When it is take the body as a reference, whenever my body has, okay, other than static position, there are not there, yes there. So that, okay, now my body is an element. Element has four sides, left to right to top bottom. On left line, okay, it's like value 0. On bottom line, the value is like 0. On the top line, the value, top value is like 0 or not. I said like bottom 0, that the reason it is come here or not. Okay, if it is not there, then the time it is go to the next level parent. Who is the next level parent? Who is the next level parent? HTML. Whenever it is like a next level parent, it's going to take that one or not. Okay, that HTML also not having. Next one, like this, it is going to take till end or not. Yes or no? Okay, can I write for this particular HTML? Okay, can I write position relative? Can I write like a position relative? Yes or no? Now it's take HTML as a reference or not? Now it's take like a HTML as a reference or not? Yes or no? Okay, now point is like it takes the parent as a reference, parent element as a reference when if the parent element has other than static. If the parent element is not having other than static position, go to the next parent, next parent, next parent. That's it. That is about absolute position. All are okay? Easy. Shall we move to the next one? Relative.
Yes.
Let's start. Yeah, first point. Can we apply top, right, left, bottom? Yes, no. Can we apply top, right,
Yes.
left, bottom? Yes, no. Yes, we can apply. We can apply top, right, left, bottom. Okay, next. It is remove the space from the DOM or not? Is it occupy the space from the DOM or not? Next, is it like behavior I changed or not? These points I required. Okay, let's go. Now, okay, let me refresh the page. Go to edit as HTML. Okay, write it. I have a div Sachin and one more div Dhoni. Done. Now, which position you want me to apply? A relative. Div by default it's like a block level element. That's okay. Now, whenever you come here, my position is like a relative. My position is like a relative. Tell me, is my Dhoni occupy Sachin? Is my Dhoni occupy Sachin? No, right? If it is not occupy Sachin, then the time what it means? Is it like remove the space from the DOM or not remove the space from the DOM? It is not
It's
remove the
not
space from
removed.
the DOM or not. Okay, the next one is like it's by default my diff is block level. Is it turned to be like inline? By default my diff is like a block level. Is it turned to be like inline?
No.
Tell me, is it turned to be like inline? No, right?
No.
No, right? It is like what? It is like block level only or not? Inline only, block level only. Block level only. So that behavior also not changed. So the next point is important. Okay, not remove the space from DOM. DOM is nothing but from your browser, you can say. The next one is like, okay, no behavioral change. Block level only, inline only. No behavioral change. Okay, now this point is important. Whenever the element position is like relative, which point is taking like reference to calculate your top, right, left, bottom values? That is the question. Anyone knows? Whenever it is like a relative position, it's take which point, which one is like a reference point to calculate your top, right, left, bottom values. No, no problem. Say this. Okay, my answer is like, okay, it's take current position as a reference. Current position is nothing but currently where I am. I am here. Okay, I am here. From there, it is going to calculate top, okay, left, right, okay, bottom. Currently where I am, from there itself, it is going to calculate top, right, left, bottom. It is take current position as like a reference. Now you can apply. See, this is my Dhoni, na? Currently where I am here, this is the point. This is my point or not. So here it is it is taking as a reference, right? This point, top value is what? 0. Okay, it is a starting point, means okay, all the values are like zeros, reset to 0, right? So that top value 0, left value 0, right value, bottom values are like 0. Now if I write like a top 0, if I write like top 0, we are not able to apply. Why? Because okay, position is like static. Now position relative, we are able to apply. Okay, now top 0, there is no change. So that this current position value is like what? 0 only. Now if you come here, now see this, I'm able to move or not. From there, it is going to calculate like what? Top, right, left, bottom. Okay, currently where I'm here, my left value is like 0. From here, it is moving like this or not? Yes or no? Whenever my position is like a relative, it is always take my current position as a reference, where I am now. From there only, it is going to calculate your top, right, left, bottom. Understood, everyone? Okay, everyone? Okay, take current position as reference. As reference. Understood? Up here, okay, everyone? Okay, the next one. If you know positions, box model, selectors, flux, you can do anything. You can do anything in CSS. Okay. CSS, there is multiple properties are there. Hundreds of properties are there. Is it possible to remember? No one can remember all the properties. Okay, you can go to the Google. You can go to the Google. You can get the properties. Multiple properties are there. No need to go to the Google also. In the browser itself, you can find some properties or not. Okay, na? Okay, then. Let's go with the fixed. Tell me about the fixed. Can we apply top, right, left, bottom? Can we apply top, right, left, bottom? Yes. The next one. Is it remove the space from the DOM or not remove the space from the DOM? Is it remove the space from the DOM or not remove the space from the DOM? Come on.
It will remove this.
Remove the
It will
space.
not occupy.
Okay, remove the space from the DOM. Okay, next. Next, behavior. Block level, inline, or it is going to change content width only. It's take content width only. Is it take content width or not? Only content width. Okay, if you don't know also, just you only can check. Now see. Now this time my position is like what? A relative, right? Okay, this time my position is like, okay, this is relative. I want to make it like what? Fixed. Whenever it is like make it like a fixed, okay, now did you observe? Say this, my tool. Turn to be like inline. Okay, it will remove the space from the DOM or not? Okay, see, to occupy Dhoni space, next level there is no element. That's the reason. Okay, you not see okay any difference. But if you apply for Sachin, obviously you can see the difference. If you apply for Sachin, now see, whenever you put like a fixed position to Sachin, my Dhoni occupies Sachin or not? Why Dhoni is not occupied by anyone? Why? Because after Dhoni, no one is there. After Dhoni, no one is there. Now this is my Sachin. Okay, okay then. Now We can apply top, right, left, bottom. It remove the space from the top. The behavior also change like inline, okay, block level to inline only. The important point is what? The important point is what? Come on. Reference point. Okay, tell me, any one of you. Let's take which one as like a reference. Let's take which one as like a reference. Anyone? Yes, which one as a reference? Anyone? Let's take which one as a reference. Okay, very simple.
Parent.
Viewport as a reference. Viewport. What is viewport? That is the question, right? Viewport is nothing but the browser visibility area. Now see here. Now see here. Now if you come here, okay. Now here, this is my user interface, right? Okay, whatever the content is like visible to the end user, okay, that content displayed in this space only or not. My developer console window, leave it. Okay, the visibility area, the content visibility area, we can say like a viewport. Okay, whenever my position is like a fixed, it is always take viewport as a reference. Okay, if it is like bottom 0, now see it is directly come to my viewport or not. In between my body is there. In between my body is there. For example, to my body, if I apply position is like relative. Now see this. If I apply position is like relative, is it like take body as a reference or viewport as a reference? It is always take viewport as a reference. It is always take viewport as a reference. Understood? Got my point? And one more thing, one more extra point. If you want this Sachin here, can we place the Sachin here? Or we can? Come on. Can I do like a right 0? Okay. Can I do like a top 50 or 100? Okay. Now my Sachin is here. 100 pixel. My Sachin is here. Okay. Na? Okay. Perfect. Now, if I give some height for this body, height equals to, okay, 1200 pixel. Whenever I given like a height 1200 pixel, now see there has a scroll you can see here. Whenever I do the scroll, the content is like, see, content is like scrolling, but whatever the element which is having the fixed position, it is always fixed to that particular position or not, irrespective of your scroll. Yes, no. Whenever the element position is like a fixed, okay, irrespective of your scroll, it is always fixed to that particular viewport position or not. It is always fixed to that particular position or not.
Yes. Yes.
Color, okay, that is about fixed position. The last one is like what?
Sir,
Yeah,
sir,
what?
in right, we only write 0 pixel. Sir, can you please open browser console tab?
Which one?
Browser console tab, sir.
Okay.
Sir, in right you only mention 0 and top 100 pixel. Not in right, not we mention unit, but it works. But in top, if we put 100, it not work. Why, sir?
100 pixel.
Sir, if we remove in from top pixel, it not work, right? But in right, it works, sir.
Okay, this pixel, okay, it's not. Okay, 0, it's like accepted. See this, that is the rule. Okay, here, invalid
Okay.
property value.
Got it, sir.
Invalid property value. Here, invalid property value.
Yeah, got it, sir. Thank you.
Okay, better to go with pixels. Pixels is always support. Okay. So any questions up to here? Static, absolute, relative, fixed. What is the last one? The last one is like what? Sticky, na? Okay. So it's take viewport as a reference. Okay. Sticky. Tell me something about sticky. Tell me something about sticky.
Can apply top, right, left, and bottom.
Top, right, left, bottom. Everyone knows this point. left to bottom. Next,
Block, inline,
Mm.
inline.
is it like remove the space from
Occupy
the
some
comma? Not
space.
remove the space from the comma.
It will not remove.
Not remove the space from down. Okay, next. Content width
It will.
behavior changed.
It will take.
Block to block only. Inline only. Inline only. Next. It's take which one as a reference, that is the question or not. Okay, for that, okay, I need one scenario. So to explain that one, can you develop one simple web page? Can you develop one simple web page? Okay, so my requirement is something like this. So very simple web page you can develop. So this is my browser. Okay, inside my browser, okay, there has one header is required. Okay, this is my header port, and here I need like one footer. It's always in the bottom, and here I want some menu items. Okay, I want some menu items. Okay, like home, about, and contact. Like home, about, contact. The next one is like here I need some content. Okay, okay, just this is content area. This is my header section, and this is my footer section. Now whatever we develop, okay, the same thing we are going to develop in React in future. Okay, now for example, the media story can take. Okay, now see this. What's there? Okay, header is there. Okay, here also two headers. That's okay. There is a menu is there. There are some content, and then there is a footer. That's it. One simple website you can develop or not. To develop that website in React, you should have some idea on HTML to prepare that particular content which is loaded inside the browser or not. The basic knowledge is required in HTML as well as CSS also. Okay, so for now, just you can do like static. Okay, whenever we are going to start like discussion about the React, that time, okay, the same template we are going to use, but that time, okay, that is like a, okay, we render like a React application in the browser. Okay, I want to develop this one simply. Tell me how we can. Here is our, this is the one. Tell me one by one, anyone. One folder I'm going to create a web page. Inside that one, I'm going to create like one file, index.html. It is always recommended to use inline, internal, or external. Which styling you want me to use? Which styling you want me to use?
External.
External. So that can I create like, okay, one external, okay, CSS file. Can I create like one external CSS file? Done. Okay, let's go. First, as per my requirement, what do you want? As per my requirement, what do you want? I need like a header, right? So tell me, header, which tag you want me to use?
H1.
Okay, H1 tag, you can use it. But the thing is, okay,
Div.
if you have a div, can I change the div behavior like H1? Possible or not possible?
Yes.
Possible.
By using CSS. So I know only div. I know about only one tag. Okay, but I can change the behavior of this particular tag like any other tag or not by applying
Yes.
CSS. So that if you observe any website, okay, anywhere, did you find like H1 tag? 90% you're not. Okay, there has 95% elements or like what?
Div.
95% elements are like divs only. Divs only. Why? Because simple reason. Okay. This, okay, div is like one simple normal element, okay, with plain text. You can change the behavior like any other element or not. That's it. That is only the reason. Other than that, nothing. Okay, na? So for me also, okay, just I want to go with div first header. My first static web page. Okay, done. Now this CSS I want to write, right? Okay. So I want to include the external CSS in my HTML. So how we can include it?
Style.
By using
Link.
link tag. Which
Link
attributes?
tag.
Relation.
Relation equals
Style
to
sheet.
style sheet, and href equals to what is that?
Style.css.
Styles.css. Okay. What kind of CSS you want me to apply? Okay, big font
Did
size,
first sheet.
center. So don't do directly, don't write it. Okay, do one thing. Now onwards, you can do like this. First, you can run your HTML. Okay, run your HTML in the browser. Okay, na? Yes, it is running. Now, first apply in the browser. If you're satisfied, then only you can copy that code in your editor. Okay, na? Now see this. This is my body. This is my div. Okay, na? Now, if you come here, this particular div, I want to apply some CSS instantly. Now, come to the right side in the style section. Now, tell me which CSS you want me to apply.
Font
Background
size.
color.
A font size is like a 50 pixel. Okay.
Background color.
Font weight is like a bold. Text align equals to center. Some background color I want to give it. Okay. I want to give some gap between top border to content.
Padding.
Border content to, okay, border to content. What is that?
Padding.
Outside the border.
Margin.
Margin.
Okay, now I want padding. Top I want 10 pixel. Okay, right side I don't want. Okay, top 10 pixel clockwise direction. Right 0 and the bottom opposite value is going to take 10 and left 0 only on. Done. Now if you observe here, there has some gap is there. Observe. Okay, why this gap? Is because of my div.
Body.
Because of my div. No, right? Why that gap means like this you can check. Put the cursor on my div. Okay, is that gap occupied by this element? Whatever the gap I mentioned, is it controlled by this element? No, right? No, right? Okay, this gap, I'm asking about this gap. Whenever I put the cursor on my div, that gap is like occupied by my div or not? No, right? Okay, if no, then go to the next level element. Which one is the next element? Body is there. Now, if I put the cursor on my body, that particular gap is occupied by body or not? Yes or no? Controlled by body or not? Yes.
Yes.
There is a red shade is there. If it is like a red shade, it's like a what? Margin, right? By default, the body has a margin. How much?
8 pixel.
8 pixel. That's the reason over that one. So I don't want that margin. So can I overwrite? My margin is like what? 0. Instantly you can do like this. If you're satisfied, now you can do these changes where in your code. Okay, first copy this one. Go to where? Your styles.css. Here with selector.
Body.
Body with selector you want me to use?
Tag.
Tag name, right? Overall, okay, one tab has one HTML, one head, one body only. So the directly you can use like a tag name or not. Okay, done. The next one. Some of the CSS properties you applied for the div, na? Okay, now can I copy all these CSS properties? Yes. Now come here. Here. You can write. Now I want to write the selector. Okay, for this particular div, I want to write the selector. Okay, what is the selector? Okay, tag name, class name. Okay, tell me the selectors. Tag name, class name, ID, child, lost child, first of type, lost of type, greater than, space, plus, tilde, nth child, attribute selector. These all are like selectors or not? Frequently used. Some other also there. Frequently used selectors. Most of the times, if you observe the selector in your browser, most of the times these only we can see or not? Yes, no? Come on. Okay. Okay then. Now for this particular div, I want like a selector. Tell me. Possible selectors tell me.
ID or class?
ID is not there. Class also not there. Okay, you can put like
first of type.
Header. Okay, possible selectors tell me. Remaining possible selectors.
First of
Div first child.
First of type, first child. Yes, sir?
Yes,
First
sir.
child of body, na?
No div.
My body from top to bottom, if I travel, okay, this div only the first div or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? First of type also will what? At this moment, inside the body, only one div is there, that is the direct children. Body greater than div also will work or not? Direct or indirect? Body space div also will work or not?
Yes.
Okay, the next one is like div, nth child of one. My children count of my div is what? One only.
1.
Like what? Possible selectors only, na? Okay. Okay, then. The next one. Come on. The first part is done. The next one. That's that. It's the one. Okay. Next, I need a menu with the home, about, contact. For menu, I'm going to use like a list. Okay. I'm going to use like a list. So another list I'm using. Li, home, Li, about. The next one is like Li, contact. Now, whenever if you run this one, okay, see, this is looks like this, but I want one line, this home, about, contact in the side by side, okay, horizontal line. These bullets not required, okay. Like that, you have to change the behavior. Okay, tell me how we can do it first. First, go to which element?
UL.
UL. Let's go. If you observe the UL has margin, UL has padding, okay, UL has some bullets. Those three also not required for me. So what you want me to do first? Make it margin.
It's margin 0.
Make it padding.
0.
I don't want that list style type disk is there. Na?
Text decoration none.
List style type. My list style type is like a none. Okay, done. Up to okay, over? See, up to okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Inside the UL, what we have?
Li.
Li. Those LIs take full width. See, list item. Display list item means my parent list, how much width it's taking, that much width it is going to take. You want list items full width, you want content width.
Content.
Content width, right? So first, let me write all these things.
Display inline.
Right. For which element you want me to apply? UL, na? So I want to use like a class. Okay, class selector, how we can?
Dot.
Menu. Just you can add it. Done? Okay, then. Now I want a selector. Now I need a selector to select all the LIs inside the menu. What is the selector?
Li first of type.
First of type is means first one you can get it. My question is all LIs.
UL space Li.
Yeah,
Direct
UL space Li or menu greater than Li. Yes or no?
Yes.
So can you come here? Okay, can I write the selector? What is the selector? Menu greater than A. Like this, you can write the selector. Okay, now if you want to check it, really the selector is like two ways you can check. One is like you can use document.get element by ID, get document.query selector like that. Another way is like here itself you can check it. Whatever the selector item that is applied for Li or not, check. Is it like applied for Li or not? Is there or not there? Okay, for this, there or not there? Okay, check. Somewhere it should be there. Li is there. Okay, list style type. Or not same. Okay, Li. Yes or no? So, this is the one. And refresh. If I put the Li, okay, you can see the meaning Li applied or not. For this Li, applied. For this Li, applied or not. Now, if you write like this, whatever the change you made, that is applicable for all the LIs. Instantly, you can see the view. Come on. First, you want me to convert that block level, not block level, list item to inline or not? How we can? Display
This line block.
inline.
Display inline.
Okay, now it is like side by side or not. Next one. These elements inside the menu, na, can I give the background color this menu? Can I give the background color? Yes. What is the color you want me to give? I don't know. Okay, just you can give like any color, yellow only. Now, the square symbol is there now with color panel. Click on the color panel. Now see which color you want. Just you can change, adjust that color. You can directly get that color code or not. Yes or no? Based on your requirement, you can change it or not. Yes or no? Okay, now my color is this one. Now I want some height. So can I give some height? My height equals to 30 pixel like this. 30 pixel. Whenever I given like a height 30 pixel, this particular home about contact, as per my requirement, vertically should align in the center. If you want one line vertically aligned in the center, you can give instead of height, line height you can give. Now that one line is like aligned vertically or not? Yes or no? Now to my LI, okay, to my UL only, I want all the content which side? I want all the content which side?
Right.
Right side or not? Yes. Now come to the LIs. One LI to another LI, I need some gap. Tell me, one element border to another element border, I need some gap. Then
Padding.
margin.
Margin.
Element border. Okay, right, margin right, 15 pixel like this. Okay, the next one is like, just you can give like letter spacing 5 pixel or something. Okay, the next one is like font weight you can give, because it's like bold. Whenever I put the cursor, it should be like a hand symbol, clickable mode. For that cursor, point.
Right.
Now done. My menu ready? Yes or no? Come on. So what do you want me to do? Now copy all this. Copy. Go to where?
Style.css.
Style.css. Just and for the menu also you added some extra properties. Those also can I copy? Let's go to menu. Can you add this? Done. Okay. Now once it is done, just you can refresh the page now. Refresh the page. Now it's working like normal only or not? Say this. Okay. Done. And my header and menu is done or not? The next one. Come on. I need a footer, okay, which should always in the bottom. Stick to bottom always, irrespective of scroll. Then
We apply position fixed,
Fixed
bottom
position.
0.
fixed
Bottom 0.
fixed position you have to add it. Okay. So tell me, whenever you do like a fixed position, what happens? The behavior is what? We can apply top, right, left, bottom. Next, it remove the space from the top. Next, it's done to be like inline or not. Okay, those all things you have to adjust, and that should be always in the bottom. That one we'll see in the next session. Okay, so can you complete HTML and CSS from uijavakit.com? Monday onwards, we are going to start like JavaScript. Okay, so HTML and CSS. Can you complete? HTML5 not yet done. Okay, just HTML and CSS. Can you?
Yes.
Okay, working people leave it. Okay, who is like looking for the job? Okay, just follow these assignments on daily basis. Okay. Just work with me 3 months. 3 months. Okay. At the end, you can develop one project end to end by your own. Got my point? But you have to practice whatever. Okay, I'm not asking like outside content and everything. Okay, if you learn, that's okay, but whatever, at least whatever we are going to deliver in the class, okay, that one you should be, okay, practice. Okay, at least you should be perfect in those areas. Okay, any questions, anyone? No? Okay, then we'll continue to remind things in the next session. So workshops, try to join workshops. Okay, try to join workshops. Okay, that is related to JavaScript, Python, Java. Don't think more about that one. Okay, join the workshop. Join. Okay, you can, at least you can understand one programming language. If you know remaining all, at least you can understand. Okay, na? Who is looking for the job? Again, I'm telling, just follow the assignments in the sessions. Whatever we are going to deliver, whatever we are going to ask you to do something, okay, as like an assignment, just try to complete it. You don't have any work, right? Okay, just complete. Okay, then thank you guys. Thanks for joining.